Today, we're taking a look at the best accessories for your travel bag this summer. It doesn't matter if you're traveling in the UK or to the far corners of the globe. Having good travel accessories can make your trip smooth and stress-free, as you have everything covered. Let's start off with the bag that will hold all your traveling essentials. We have chosen the Aquarius anti-theft and water-resistant backpack, as it not only looks stylish, but has many features that tech enthusiasts like me love. For a start, you can connect a power bank and then simply plug in a USB port to the bag and charge your phone on the move, all without needing to carry a battery bank around with you. Inside the bag, there are plenty of pockets, and what I love most is the bag unzips most of the way around so you can lay it flat and fully organise your bag. On the outside of the bag, there are more pockets. One where you can keep sunglasses, pens or a charging cable. Then, on the back of the bag, there's a nice secure pocket where you can put your passport in. This means when the bag is on your back, they're completely safe as you're not able to unzip this pocket. Also on the back, there's this nice luggage strap or loop, so if you have a suitcase with a pull-out handle, you can safely attach your bag to it. The power bank fits in its own pocket in the bottom of the bag. However, be warned that if you have a large power bank, it may be difficult to get in or out. For the power bank, we've chosen the Tzumi Pocket Juice, which is a compact 4000 mAh battery. Now that might not sound like a lot, but this is perfect for giving you extra charge when needed. My first power bank was a massive 25,000 mAh and it was large and heavy. I realised then most of the time I just needed power to stop your phone dying, not actually charging it every day for a week. The Pocket Juice is perfect as it's very compact and very lightweight. You'll barely notice having this in your bag in the first place. The battery bank comes with its own tiny micro USB cable, so it takes up even less room in your bag. And when you charge it up, you can see these simple lights will tell you how much charge it has left in the battery bank. Next up, let's talk about the need for carrying around multiple cables. So when you're traveling, you might take an iPhone, an iPad, and in my case, an electric toothbrush. All of those use different connectors and cables for charging. This is where the Olixar 3-in-1 cable comes in. It has a USB-C for charging things like iPads or Android phones, a lightning connector for those pesky iPhones that still use it, and also a micro USB connector for things like a battery bank or, in my case, the electric toothbrush. This means it takes up less space than 3 cables and makes it simpler to pack. Before you trip, you often weigh your suitcase to ensure it's not overweight. But often you don't do it on the way back, which is where you can easily be caught out as you've brought everyone presents. This is where the Goobay scale comes in. It's a simple scale which will fit easily into any bag. Then when you need to weigh your bags, just turn it on, wait for a second for it to zero, then clip your handle to it. You don't have to panic and try and read it, you just hold it up for a few seconds and then it will hold the number on the screen. A nice, simple way to ensure you don't get any extra charges when traveling. Next up, let's talk about keeping your bags and items safe. Now the obvious go-to is an AirTag, as they use iPhones to update their location. I've heard stories about people tracking down lost suitcases with AirTags, so it's a no-brainer to put on your travel bag or in your suitcase. Olixar thankfully have come to the rescue with this handy, cost-effective luggage loop. It holds the AirTag and allows you to put it on the outside of your bag or suitcase. This means when it enters lost mode, someone can put their phone next to it and get in contact with you. Now the AirTags are actually pretty thick, so don't work that well for wallets. That's why we also have this Chipolo card which attaches to the same Find My network. It's pretty thin at the thickness of just 3 cards, so it can fit in your wallet easily. You also don't need to download any extra app, but just instead add it to the Find My app. Chipolo also does these AirTag looking ones which you can get for Android as well. So that means you'll be able to track down all your belongings regardless of the device. Next up, we have something that will keep you clean and healthy on your travels. These Olixar hand sanitizer bottles. You get 3 in a pack, so you can use them for shampoo, body wash, or like we've done, fill one with hand sanitizer gel. They include these great carabiners so you can clip them to your bag or belt loops and easily have access to them when traveling. The good thing about them is they fit 50 milliliters of liquid in, so you can still take them through the airport without needing to empty them out beforehand. Next up, let's talk about charging. Now we all take a few devices away with us, whether it's cameras, phones, tablets, or a battery bank. For this, you'll need a few cables and power bricks, and then also adapters for the walls. Well, that's unless you take these devices. We have an all-in-one travel plug by Travel Blue and Olixar's gallium nitrate charger. The travel plug has an intuitive twist and slide design which allows you to easily select the part of the world you are in and slide out the correct adapter. Then, on the other end, you can simply plug whatever into it. This stops you having to get new adapters every time you travel somewhere new, and it's also nice and compact. Then pair this with Olixar's gallium nitrate charger, which is not only great for travel, but also at home. It features 1 USB-A port and 2 USB-C ports, so you can easily charge multiple devices at once. Perfect when you're traveling, as you won't need to carry around multiple plugs. Also, as a bonus, if you are traveling to America, you can remove the UK adapter and flip out US pins. The next few items will make your life easier when you arrive to your destination. Let's start off with capturing memories. Now we all carry around some pretty powerful cameras, which are actually our phones. However, you either need someone else to take the photo, which is not always possible, or you try and balance it on a rock, which could fall off and break your phone. That's where the Ksix selfie stick comes in. You can extend up to quite a long length, which is handy to get either more people in your selfies or just get high enough off the floor to get a better angle. The legs kick out so you can also place it on the floor easily. Very handy when you're traveling around and trying to get the best pictures as possible. This also comes with a handy Bluetooth remote, so you can pair it to your phone and get hands-free photos, making sure no one is trying to run back in shot in 10 seconds. Next up, for capturing memories, is this handy floating GoPro grip. GoPros are great for capturing memories in the pool or the sea, as they are fully waterproof. Better yet, if you're into action sports, they can record a fantastic video while wakeboarding or on a banana boat, say. The best part about this grip is it allows you to hold the GoPro out at better angles, and if you drop it, you won't lose it, as 1, it's yellow, and 2, it will be floating on the surface. The last product we want to show you is Olixar's EDC pouch. Now this is perfect once you're on holiday, as it can hold things like Kindles, phones, money, battery banks, passports and sun cream, all without having to carry a large bag. It has multiple pockets so you can keep things nice and organised, and also secure. Perfect for those beach days. What I love about not carrying around a large backpack when you're on holiday is that you won't get all hot and sweaty, as this is nice and compact. So there you go, some great ideas for your next adventure. To buy anything we've talked about, please visit the links in the description below, and let us know in the comments where you're traveling to this year. For more content, please give us a like and subscribe.